Hey everyone! Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Welcome to Midnight Foodie. If you ever find yourself staring at the fridge wondering, what should I eat? This channel is for you. No experience? No problem. Hit that subscribe button, and I'll show you how to make amazing food. First, we start with a whole chicken and clean out the cavity thoroughly. Next, we give the chicken a salt massage, making sure the skin is evenly coated. After that, rinse it well under clean water. Then, pour boiling water over the chicken to blanch the skin. This step helps tighten the skin and gives it a better texture. Once that's done, it's time to prepare the sauce. In a bowl, add 50 milliliters of light soy sauce, 10 milliliters of dark soy sauce, 15 grams of oyster sauce, and 10 grams of salt. Mix everything well. Then pour the sauce over the chicken, use your hands to rub it in evenly, and let it marinate for 30 minutes. After marinating, add 50 milliliters of cooking oil, 1 bowl of water, 1 bowl of rice wine, and the remaining sauce into a pot. Then add scallions, ginger, cilantro, and some brown sugar. Bring everything to a boil over high heat. Place the marinated chicken into the pot, then reduce to low heat and simmer for 20 minutes. Remember to turn the chicken occasionally so it absorbs the sauce evenly. Finally, as the sauce thickens, use a spoon to baste it over the chicken until it's beautifully glazed. And that's it. Now you know how to make a delicious soy sauce chicken. Give it a try, and good luck in your kitchen.